how to download the TradingView app on your device. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open Play Store on your device if you are using Android and click on the search icon on the bottom right hand twice. Go ahead and search for TradingView. It is by TradingView Incorporated. Just go ahead and tap on it. It is a stock and cryptos app. Just go ahead and tap on install. Once you tap on install, the app will be downloaded and installed after a while. To know more about the app, just go ahead and tap on about this app section. And as you can see that this is a stock market app which will help you trade cryptos and forex as well. You can see all of the charts and you can measure all of your buying and selling capabilities about the forex. So guys, this is how easy it is to download the TradingView app on your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.